Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein breakfast smoothie recipe for weight loss. No dairy milk, no sugar. Super healthy and filling smoothie to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. For the smoothie, I have already soaked overnight 7 to 8 almonds. Now it's very important that you soak the almonds overnight, peel the skin and use them. Soaking and peeling the skin of the almonds will help to release the phytic acid content in almonds, which will help in better nutrient absorption and in better digestion. Also note that soaking has made the almonds to sprout a little. This will help to unlock all the nutrients. Okay, now the almonds are peeled. I'm going to keep this aside. Now the main ingredient is sattu, also known as roasted channa dal flour. Sattu is a good source of vegetarian protein. It helps to keep your body cool, hence it's ideal to include in the summers. The high fiber can help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Thus it helps in weight loss and weight management. The low glycemic index and the high fiber helps to manage blood sugar levels. Now for those who are new to sattu and doesn't know how it is made, sattu is nothing but roasted black chana dal flour. So this is black chana dal, which in Malayalam we call as kadala. And once it is sand roasted, you get this. So this is roasted black chana. And once this is powdered, you get sattu. So sattu is nothing but black chana dal roasted and ground to a flour. Now if you don't have sattu flour at hand, you can use the roasted chana dal. You can also notice that there are some peel on top of the roasted chana dal. If you include this and grind, you get more fiber. If you don't like the peel or the slightly black hue in the flour, you can totally remove the peel or skin, but that will reduce the fiber content in the sattu flour. In this recipe, you can either use the roasted chana dal or you can use the flour made from the roasted chana dal, which is known as sattu. To make sattu flour from the roasted chana dal, I am adding the roasted chana dal into my small chutney grinder. Note that I have also added the peel or skin of the roasted chana dal, and I am going to grind this to a fine powder. Okay, now I have grounded the roasted chana dal into a fine powder. I used 1/4 cup of roasted chana dal. If you are using store-bought sattu flour or sattu powder, you may skip the process of grinding the roasted chana dal and you can directly use the sattu atta or sattu flour in the smoothie. This is 1/4 cup of sattu flour. Into my blender jar, I am adding in 1 cup of water. Add in the freshly ground sattu flour. For some natural healthy fats, I am adding in the soaked and peeled almonds. Now instead of almonds, you can use any soaked nuts of your choice like walnuts, cashew nuts or even peanuts. Now if you don't have any nuts at hand, you can also use nut butter of your choice. For sweetness, I am adding in 1 soft medjool dates. You can increase or decrease dates as per your taste. Next, I am adding in half of a banana. This is a local variety banana which is called Nendran in Malayalam here in Kerala. You can use any variety of banana which you have at hand. Add in 1 tablespoon mixed nuts. Here I am using sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds and flax seeds. You can also add in 1 tablespoon chia seeds and 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Just play around with your choice of seeds in this recipe. And lastly, for flavor, I am adding in freshly ground cardamom powder. This is seeds of 3 cardamoms. And I'm going to blend all this really well. Pour the blended sattu smoothie into a serving glass. And lastly, for an added crunch, I'm sprinkling in some chopped, overnight soaked and peeled almonds. And my high protein sattu smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy sattu smoothie and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.